Now, in my previous two videos, I gave an introduction and started a small project. So today, we are going to be continuing the project. My name is Arjun and let's start the video. So here, I till I was waiting for the video to get uploaded, I thought why not just do some of it so I don't have to waste your time after that because I just had to put numbers. But anyways, I'll just put them here and mm, and then so just putting the numbers. Okay, the 3 is looking a little awkward, right? So we'll just put 30 instead. So now, with everything ready, I feel like I want to, just highlight the names a bit. So for that, but first, I'll write average over here, average marks. Average, then maximum marks and minimum marks. Excuse me. So now I have all that ready. I will just do it. So first, I want to, I want to highlight the things. For that, I am just going to select it. So first, I forgot one small thing that I had to place one small. So anyways, this is a good opportunity. So there's one, you might be thinking that there's no way of, is there any way like for me, like by mistake I missed a row in between which I wanted to put. So it would be very inconvenient to copy paste or even cut and paste or even cut, just delete all of it and rewrite again. Thankfully, Excel, our savior, has come to our rescue. We can delete or add rows as well as columns. So first I'll show rows and fix what I did. I will just right click and there's insert written. Right click insert and wow, we have one, but I put it on the wrong place because insert above the line, not below the line. So I just have to delete it. To delete then, below insert, we have a button saying delete, and here. So I'll just go to 4, insert, and yay! We have one. Now I want to insert one over here also just like that to show you, right? So same procedure, just a little different. Now it is doing that, but it changes the letter or heading of the insertion with it. So it instead of XFD, then it will have XFE. Should have. Let's just ones. Uh, Insert. Then I'll just try XFE1. Okay, what happened? Okay, so there's some problem. I think there isn't XFDE. It's only till XFD. Nothing beyond that. XFD1. Okay. XFD1. Enter. Yes. So I'll just insert one and see what happens. Nothing happens because okay, anyways, we are just going to something we will not never use. So means it just like it repositions an existing cell. I think that's what it does. Now, no one is going to use such a large number of rows or columns, so they just do that. Means in very less cases is somebody going to do that. So A1 back to where I was making my progress report. So next, let's come to highlighting it. So there's no way we can highlight it. So I'll just fill it with some color. Yes. See, I am not getting the color I want, so I will go to more colors. And yay, in more colors, I have each color that almost all colors that I want. Okay, this is good. Okay, and we have it. Yay! Now, what do we have to do? Okay, so now uh, I think these should be standing out, right? So I'll just select all these and put text color to red text color. Yes. And now I want the totals. Now, how? It's going to be very hard without a paper and pen to add all these. And it becomes very inconvenient to do this. So, Excel again comes as a savior. We can just, now this is where the function bar comes in. The function bar. Now, you might ask, what does the function bar do? And I was building upon the suspense, and now I'll break it to you. See, Excel to make things easier has a set of commands that we use and do certain operations that will make it very easy to use it. So, anyways, for demos, I have to. This is a demo progress report. So I'll be using this space also for other things like showing other kinds of examples. But right now, we will do what we have to do. So you know, I think you should know operators till now: plus, minus, divide, multiply, or addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. You know all these, and that's what Excel does. But when we write it on paper, when we write it on paper or any surface, we usually put the equal to sign on the right hand side. But in Excel, we put it on the left hand side. Okay, so equal to. Now we want the sum of these four numbers, right? So there are a few ways that I'm going to show in which we can do it. So the first way is, I know this video is getting a little too long, but it's okay. Anyways, let's not distract from the topic. I want to finish this report, although it cannot be done in one video. Anyways, let's go on. So 67. Okay. So first one is that we can, after an equals to sign, we can choose any block. Okay. So that's like a problem and not a problem, because you just put equal to sign and then you remember something else, you click it and poof, it gets selected and then you have to deselect it. So like click on it again doesn't work. Click on it again doesn't work. Anyways, so now I will just go back equal to this. I'm clicking it, left click. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Back equal to this. Shift this. Shift this. Shift this. And here we have it. And then when we press enter, we get 266. So this boy, Rahul, scored 266 in total. Total marks was 266. So now I'll just click on it and have a review. We did that. Now, do you think that as soon as you typed in the formula, it got changed to a number cell? No. This is because if the other day the teacher corrects something and sees that in maths his marks were 40, then then she'll have to do this all over again. And that's not time saving. So Excel reads it. It displays it in the main cell as a number. But as soon as I enter this, it should become 267. Excel shows in the formula bar that this has a formula. This is the formula that has been used in this. And so it automatically changes the result when a number changes. So that's why the name formula bar. Next, so understood? If not, please in the comments section post a comment asking that you didn't get this concept, and I'll make another video to explain it. And I'll put its link in the comment section where you can use it. I'll just reply to your comment. So anyways, let's get going. Now the second way we can do this. Now this was a little not so good, putting plus again and again, because you have to first put shift and then plus. There is another way, because Excel again comes to our SQ. We say this you see this is called a insert function button. So it opens a drop box. So now if I want the function sum or the formula sum, sorry, this is function bar. So I'll just write over this. In this, I'll just write sum and go. Otherwise, I can find it here. Sum. Okay. So now it is telling me to select a range. So what I can do is, you can ignore that number 2. If you want the sum of 2 numbers, that's a different story. Otherwise, I can just drag it over here, then select all these. So it automatically selects the range for me, and I can go press OK. Otherwise, if there were 2 numbers, I could just write the number 2 cell address, or I could select that also. So I'll just put OK, and here we have it, 210. But here, notice the difference. Look at it here, memorize it, and look at it here. See the difference? This time it was because we used sum, so it was showing sum. And then we can also do like this boy has 40 plus 56 plus 100 plus 76 marks in total. So we can again press an equal to sign, but this time while not selecting it, I can just type in 40 plus 56 plus 100 plus 76, and there you have it. But this is time consuming, not so time efficient, and it can have human error. So after that, we have this. So these are the three ways in which I could sum, get sums. Then of course I could select this range, then this range equal to this range plus this range. And there are many more ways to do it, but this is it. This is this. So now what I'm thinking is, can there be a way that we can just repeat all this and not type it again and again and again and again and again, because that will, with a large number of students, like many times a class has 40 to 50 students. So that could be a problem. Every 40 to 50 times you're just typing, typing, typing. For that, there's another method. So what I'll do is I'll just get rid of this and this. I'll just click on this. This has this. Okay, this has it. This has the sum. Now, if I place the cursor on this small box and drag it down, I got it. Because each one of them, Excel saw that the row in front of it is getting summed up. And it applied the same thing, it just changed the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are many complex algorithms I think that it uses, but this is this. And this is applicable for all of them except note that for the last one I did, in which I put 40 plus 56 plus 100 and plus 76 manually I entered. Except for that, it works on every method. Okay, we have total amounts. Now, I think I want those people who scored, above 100. Sorry, above 100, 250. Total marks are 400, so above 200. Whoever scored above 200, half, more than half. So now for that, what I will do is, this is called conditional formatting, and you have it in the styles box. Conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules. So like greater than, less than, between. So it highlights the cells. So this is it. I want to do this. So I want greater than, not lesser than, right? So I'll press greater than. Then format cells that are greater than what? How much? It needs to know that. So I'll just enter the amount 200, and this is with light red fill and dark red text. Okay. Wait a minute. What happened? 200. Oh, you need to select the range. Right? You need to select the range in which you want to put that conditional formatting, right? Because otherwise it doesn't know in which range should it put. It will put in the whole column. right? So let's just go back. And this time I selected everything greater than. And this time I write 200 to 100 and okay. And it has selected all those students who scored more than half. So seems like only one student didn't score more than half. Anyways, so now what should we do? Hmm. So now you might be thinking, what if I want to remove it? Yes, one way is undo it, but the other way is we can go to conditional formatting and clear rules. Clear rules for selected cells, so that will be just these cells, or entire sheet if we had filled an entire sheet with conditional formatting. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because I don't want to, but you can try it at home because I think you should have Excel, or you can do it in your computer class. So, anyways, let's move on. So, we are pretty much done, but remember our average, maximum, and minimum. Who did the best in the class? Right. So, now for the average, we will go back to functions because that helps us all. And we have average. Next. Oh, we forgot to select the range. So this range and average it. This is it. Average is 248. You can just try and calculate on your own. I'll give you some time. I'll be back for calculating it on your own. I'll be just back in 5 minutes. So, or you can pause the video, but it will take my real time 5 minutes or just a little bit of 2 minutes or something. So, calculate it fast. I think you should know. Otherwise, ask. Right, so I am back. So, have you calculated it? Is it correct? Please let me know in the comment section. And you can again see that it's average written over here. Or you can just use sum. Then maximum, again, function, and then max max, okay. Then we just select the range. This is our range, okay, and we have the maximum, which is correct. Now for minimum, again, functions, and then we have, wait, what is this? I cannot find a min. I think that's because this has a part of them. So I just write min, enter, and voila, I have min. So where's min? Okay, and then I want this. Okay, and we see that it's correct. And yay, we are not yet completed. Yay, yay, yay! So, anyways, let's move on. Sorry for that, but I like my viewers getting educated, and I like myself to get educated too. So, anyways, outside borders. See, I want some borders outside this whole box. So, I'll just go here, outside borders, and yeah, we have it. And this pretty much completes our progress report Or do you want more? Tell me. Okay, anyways. Okay, okay. Okay, so if I see from my reference photo, it's complete. Yeah, wait. No, it's not complete. I want these bold. I want these bold. I just select them, bold. Yay! And now, what I'll do is, oh no. Anyways, AVARAGE, average, not average, average. And then here I want MAX max, and over here I want MIN, just the capitalization. I don't know why I don't care about that, but anyways. So now it seems that I have done something wrong with the borders. Okay, it's nothing, it's just the kind of border I used. I want thick outside borders, and we have, oops, I just made a mistake. I have to select the range, the range. Yay, the range. So I will just again select the range. Okay, this is a little bit of problem. Okay, very good. And click outside borders. And yay, we are complete. Now, in the next video, I'll be showing you another few formulas. And after that, we'll move on to charts. So bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Bye. I'd like to make this video long, but no.